Alright, guess what we're going to do today? See that? Fresh ham. That's right, fresh ham today. Alright, I'm gonna show you guys how to do the best fresh ham ever. Alright, so let's start. Ready? Don't be scared. Alright, so let's go. Okay guys, this is the fresh ham. So what I did some holes, you see that? Holes everywhere, you see that? Holes, make one right here. When you do these holes, you slide, okay? You slice. So the flavor, the vegetables penetrate inside. It goes all over and will give you the best fresh ham ever. All right, ready? Let's start. All right. Hold on a second. Okay, nice beer. Nice and cold. Okay, guys. I have here 3 onions. All right. I have 2 green pepper. I have 1 red pepper. I have cilantro and scallion. Okay, and I have also 1 head of garlic. That's right, 1 head. Let's start. Now you guys gonna see, I'm not gonna put not much. You see, just like 3 pieces inside the hole. Okay, in each hole, I did a lot of holes back and forth. All right, so you guys gonna do that. See, all the flavor is gonna penetrate nice, and it's gonna give you the best flavor. Okay, so you and your family can enjoy. All right, so okay, there's a lot of holes I did everywhere. I did in the other, in the back. The back also I did a lot of holes, but I don't have to put the back because it's gonna concentrate. I did the back so the juice will go down. All right, go down to the pan. Good. Okay, right there. A little bit here. Okay, the rest you just put. That's gonna give you a good flavor. All right, guys. Alright. Oh, I love garlic. It smells so good. But don't be afraid. Alright. Okay guys. Now that's the garlic. Okay, the whole head. Now let's do this. This is 3 onions. Alright? 3 onions. Alright, you just put everywhere, right there. That's 1.5. Let's put everywhere. The onions is very good. Okay, guys. Now it's the red pepper. All right, red pepper. It's 1 red pepper, so you put everywhere. That's gonna give you a good flavor. All right. So now we have here the green pepper. All right. So we have 2 green pepper. All right. 2 green pepper. Here you go. All right. Just put everywhere. All right. So that will gonna give you a good flavor. All right. You guys gonna enjoy. Look how beautiful it looks. Wow. Okay. Now we have the cilantro. Cilantro, I have 2 bunch of cilantro. Okay? 2 bunch of cilantro. Alright, look at this. 2 bunch. That's gonna give you a good flavor. Alright, you just keep putting, don't worry about it. Right? Alright. 2 cilantro. Okay, this is 2 small one. Alright, don't get the big one. Alright. 3 small. Now this is scallion. 1 bunch of scallion. Okay, you just put together, everything's gonna be beautiful. Alright, so now we're gonna go to Sazon. Alright, Sazon with Azafran. I love it. Alright, so let's go. What you guys are gonna do is, you guys are gonna put in the holes. Okay, a little bit, not much. Hold on a second. Yeah, and the holes, every hole. Okay. Alright. If you guys want, you guys can put this first. Alright? Let me move this a little bit because I still have to put the salt too. Alright? You can put the salt before you do this. Alright? Alright. That looks good. Okay. Right here's another hole. Okay, the rest you just put all over. I have 2. Alright? 2 of them. So you just let's go all over. That's gonna bring the flavor together. So now I have a chicken broth. Chicken broth. Alright? So that's gonna bring you flavor too. So what you do is you go the hole again. Alright? Make sure it goes inside, not too much, very little, to bring the flavor together. Alright? So make a mess here. Okay. Alright, don't forget. Okay, you guys can do this before you put the vegetables. Right? So okay, so the rest you just goes all over the place. You need 2. Alright. Alright, so that goes all over the place. Like that. The salt. I like to use the salt. Alright, but you guys can use whatever you want. Right? So you see my hands, how much I use. Okay, I'm gonna put this much. But after that you have to check. Alright? You have to check the salt quantity. If it's enough, if it's not enough, you guys just have to add it. As it's cooking. So just put it over. Alright? Mix it up like this. Like this. Alright, looks good. So now you're gonna have oregano. Yes, I love oregano. I love it. I love it. Just put there in the tub, oregano all over. Not much, just enough. Okay. So now black pepper. If you guys also like black pepper, you guys also have to use. But I like black pepper, so pepper there to bring the flavor. Alright, so now we have here bay leaves. Alright, bay leaves, don't be scared. Alright, bay leaves. These are small pieces, they are broken inside. So I just put a little bit there, here, just to bring the flavor together. Alright, that's it, not much. Alright, after this, tomato sauce. Alright, so what you do with the tomato sauce? Look at this. Wow, look at this, guys. Wow, you just put everywhere. Look how beautiful it looks already. Alright? Wow, this is gonna taste unbelievable. Looks beautiful, right? You guys like that? Okay guys, now everything's done. Alright, so now let's cover this baby. Alright, let's cover. Alright. Very good. Alright. Make sure to cover very well. Alright. Hold on a second. Let me put another one right here, just in case. All right. Very good. Just put another one in. Make sure it is well sealed. All right. So my oven is preheat. I put for 350. Don't be scared. All right. So let me open here the oven. All right. It's nice and hot. Okay. Here you go. Whoa, this is so heavy. All right. Very good, guys. I'm gonna check this fresh ham in 2 hours. All right. Hey guys. All right. I'm back. So now it's time. Now it's time to check. All right. Let's check. Time to check the fresh ham. All right. Has been 3 hours. All right. It's cooking for 3 hours. Time to check. All right. It's in 375. All right. So let's see how this looks. All right. This is very heavy. Okay. All right. So let's see. Whoa, it's very hot and it smells very good. Whoa, it smells good, guys. It smells very good. It has been 3 hours. All right, so now what you have to do is, see here, if you can close it, you can see the juice start to come out. So you have to put like this, all right, all over. It smells so good. Might take 6 hours to cook this. All right, this fresh ham is delicious, but make sure you're gonna put all the juice all over. All right, looks good, guys. Looks good. Guess what? Don't be afraid. All right, don't be. All right, look at that. Start to. All right, so. Let you cook this for 3 more hours. All right, 3 more hours, and it's gonna be ready, and it's gonna taste delicious. All right, guys. So let me cover this. All right, you cover this very well. All right, very good. So it's 375. Go back for 3 more hours. All right. Hey guys. All right. Let me tell you something. This is a fresh ham. Ooh, it's hot. It's a fresh ham. Let me tell you something. Take a long time to do this, baby. All right, took me 8 hours. If you guys gonna do a fresh ham like this to taste delicious, let me tell you something. It's gonna take 8 hours. All right. So don't be afraid. Don't be afraid. All right, guys. All right. This is the finished product. It's right here. All right, so I'm gonna tell you, this is the sauce from the fresh ham. All right, this is the sauce. Look how delicious it looks. Oh my God, this is delicious, guys. This is delicious. Let me tell you something. Wow, you guys ready to do this? Ooh, it's so hot here. All right. And guess what? I'm very happy to show you guys my finished product. You guys ready? Go. Are you guys ready? Don't be afraid. All right. God, it's so heavy. Whoop. Ah. Wow. Bingo. All right, guys. Here you go. It's a fresh ham. All right. See that? This is the best fresh ham ever. All right. When I say that, you guys, please believe me. All right. Take your time. See my recipe and go forward. Alright? Hey guys, you guys have a good weekend. Alright? Love you all. Alright? Cheers. Love you.